Hey guys, good morning. It's Tony. I just wanted to talk a little bit about, basically for the last since I started my channel here on TikTok and then also on YouTube and stuff. Everybody's been asking me like, "Hey, you should make a Discord. You should make a Discord and like post your plays, or at least have it for like a community or something, or so people can get like special requests or whatever." And I do think eventually there will be a Discord that I open up. More than likely, it will be a paid Discord because I'm limited on time right now, and I really don't want to waste my time on something that's not gonna bring me any benefit. Um, I don't. I'm not gonna be opening up a Discord anytime soon, just because that's probably gonna take a bunch. I don't know how Discords work, right? I know that it's basically just a group chat of like a shit ton of people and stuff. I wouldn't open up a Discord right now just because it takes so much fucking time, dude. Like I have my job. I'm still putting up videos of like just whenever I can and stuff, and I know, and I have a lot of other things on the side going, right? Like this isn't. I have like a business on the side, right? I have other things that I work on. This isn't exactly, the only thing. Like I post videos whenever I can, right? Sometimes I go a couple of days without posting because I have so much work at fucking work, and then I have things outside of that I still work on, right? So having a Discord on top of that is even more time consuming, right? So I mean, I think the only way that I would actually open up a Discord is if like my YouTube eventually pays me like as much, if not like double what my current job pays me, right? Um, so Discord is definitely not out of the picture, but for sure it would more than likely be a paid Discord because I'm not about to waste my time on something that doesn't benefit me, right? And I know Discord will probably take a bunch of my time, right? Like I said, I don't know how these things work, but I know that I'll probably have to like consistently be on there and messaging people and talking to people and stuff, and especially if it's a paid server, right? Because like I said, like just having a group chat for like a bunch of people like that doesn't benefit me at all, right? um like, and because I'm limited on time, like it doesn't make sense for me right now. Like I said, like if YouTube one day pays me like a crap ton of money, then yeah, sure, like I'll definitely open up a server. But right now, like I work like you guys, right? Like I do a regular 8 to 5 jobs. Some of you guys know that I'm a programmer. I've been a programmer for the last couple years or so. I'm fair, not necessarily new, but I'm also not necessarily, I haven't been in this field for like the longest time, right? But I mean, like I said, like it just takes up a bunch of my time. I have a bunch of projects going on, and a Discord as of right now is probably not something I'm gonna be looking into. And if I ever do look into it, and if it ever does open, it will more than likely be paid. Um, and if it's paid, there's going to be a lot of stuff that's on there that's going to be making you guys money, right? So I do have a lot of things that I work on that have been making me money consistently, right? So if I do open up a Discord, it's going to have a lot of like golden nuggets that I can share with people and stuff, which is gonna be great, I think. But as for like I said, as right now, I don't think so, man. Discord just takes too much of my time. And if you guys really want one, or if you guys really want to be a part of the Discord, more than likely it's gonna be paid, and it's not gonna be cheap, right? Like I'm not gonna be charging $5 for it. It's gonna be something like $20 a month, probably more than that, because like I said, I'm limited to time, bro. And if something doesn't, and if at least something I'm not getting something out of it, then it doesn't make sense for me, right? Like I'm married, I have a kid. Like I'd rather be hanging out with them than, to be honest, I'd rather be hanging out with them than hanging out with all of you guys, right? Like this, I'm just gonna be straight up. Like I'm being transparent. Like I love hanging out with my wife. I love being with my baby, right? Like they're like my world, right? So if I can spend time with them instead of you guys, or instead of posting videos, 100% I would, right? Um, yeah, just to answer the question, I'm not gonna make a Discord right now. Way too limited on time, and if I ever do, it's more than likely gonna be paid because I'm not gonna be spending time away from my wife and my baby without without it benefiting me somehow, right? At least monetarily. So, um, yeah, I hope that answers your question, man. Maybe it's not the answer that you were looking for, but like I said, I just wanted to be transparent with you guys because you guys have always been, transparent with me, and you guys have been supporting me for so long. But for the most part, I mean, I don't even think we really need a Discord because I like to think I'm relatively okay at responding to people's questions. So if you guys ever want me to like look up a TA on a ticker or something, or like you guys want me to look up my code for unusual options activity, just drop it on either TikTok or my YouTube, and I'll be more than happy to like look it up. Right? Obviously, I have literally dozens, if not like 100 people asking me about different stuff, so it'll take me time. But for the most part, like I'll try and get to it, right? Like you guys don't have to like we don't have to have like a Discord where you guys pay me $20 a month to like, ask me for stuff, right? I'm probably gonna get to you a little bit later, but more than likely I'll get to it. I'll see you guys later.